In the Config Manager Client console, we can configure a policy that controls the Config Manager Client agent, and the default client setting option applies to all clients in the site unless overwritten by a lower valued policy. So in this demonstration, what we're going to have a look at here is just how we can configure some of the default client setting options. We're going to look at a few of the other options in later demonstrations. So what we've done here is in our Config Manager Admin Console, I've come to the Administration Workspace, I've come to Client Settings, and I'm just going to right click on the default client settings and go to Properties. So as you can see here, we've got quite a few settings that we can modify. So the ones that we're concerned about for purposes of this demo is the first one is the client policy itself. Now normally what we do here is we'd normally have this set to, for the client policy polling interval, we'd normally have this set to, let's say for example 60 minutes. What we've done for purpose of this demo is we've specified that to 15 minutes. And what this is specifying here is how often the client requests settings from the management point. So with this set to 15 minutes, what we've done here is we've actually reduced the number of supported clients on the management point by approximately 75%. So therefore, instead of supporting 25,000 clients per management point, we've now dropped this down to about 6,000. And in the company I work for, that would actually be more than enough. So what we've got here is we've got this set to currently 15 minutes. We've enabled the user policy on clients to set to yes, but we could set that to no. And we've enabled the user policy request from internet clients to no. Because what we might have in a DMZ is we might have a different management point to connect to. Then what we've got is another one that's important for our end users is the state messaging. And what this is specifying here, or what this is controlling, is how often the client sends state messages to the management point. So we've got this set to 5 minutes. Now this is purely for demonstration purposes. We shouldn't really use this in a production environment. By doing this, this could cause a backlog of state messages, especially during a software update scan cycle. We've got various other settings that we can put in place as well, and like I said, we're going to cover these in later demonstrations. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration of just looking how we can modify the default client settings. Now if we're not happy with these defaults, we can modify them. If we want to specify different settings for different groups of users, we can also specify custom settings as well. Thank you.